Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz. Thanks so much for dropping in. I have a really fun video for you today, and what I wanted to share with you is I guess some of my everyday summer items or looks or outfits. So things that I've been loving and wearing all summer long, and then how I'm going to transition them into fall looks so that I can continue wearing them, get my cost per wear out of them, and also continue to look stylish all fall long. Okay, this whole video is going to be for information and inspiration, but if you do see anything you like, I'll try to link everything that I have shown below or something similar. If I forget something that piques your interest, then just leave that in the comment and I'll try to get you that information. So the first tip or item that will easily transition your items from summer to fall is a cardigan. So let's start with the summer look. So a go-to summer look for me is a wide leg pair of denim pants and a tank top. And I think this is probably something a lot of ladies wear. I do like to go for a lighter weight. I've been loving this wide leg pair I picked up from Banana Republic. It is in a lighter wash. It's a light to medium weight, and it just pairs real nice with any tank top, and then of course you can accessorize it. And how I like to transition this summer outfit into a fall outfit is simply with a cashmere cardigan. So cashmere it's a breathable fabric. So I find that I can wear cashmere really all year round. They come in different weights. So I would say a lighter weight cashmere is perfect for summer to fall transition. It's gonna keep you warm on those really cool evenings, but if you happen to be wearing it as part of your outfit and it's a little warmer, it's still real breathable. So I really like that. I really like having one that is a little elevated with some detail. So this gold button one I picked up from J. Crew is just lovely, and it is a relaxed fit. You can, always, of course, pop it on just normal or drape it over your shoulders, and I think that's a great fall look. Now, if the fall is on the cooler side, as we get more into fall, a heavier cardigan is a great option as well. I've really been liking the grandpa style cardigans. I opted for a solid color because I just think it's more classic and I could just keep it around a lot longer. It goes with a lot of items, but in this beautiful olive color also gives that fall vibe. So this is one that I actually recently picked up from Walmart. It's from Free Assembly in a large, and it's just real classic. I think it looks beautiful. It's cozy and warm and definitely gives those fall vibes. All right, and item number 2 that's gonna easily transition you into fall are a pair of knee-high boots. So let's start with the summer look here. So a summer item I have been loving is this silk skirt that I picked up earlier from Goelia. It is lined, it has a stretchy waist, it's so comfortable. I find that I can dress it up, dress it down real easily. So I am absolutely gonna be wearing this into the fall. And I paired it here in this summer look with this knit that I picked up from Chico's. I love this one. A lot of you loved it too. And it for good reason. It is so comfortable. It's like drapey. It fits perfectly, real flattering. Something I love about this, I usually just wear a black bra under it and I find it's not see-through, which is an issue I've had with a lot of knits. Sometimes they're so loose you can see through, or so thick that they're just real like bulky, too warm and just no movement. So this has been a great addition. I love this outfit. And so transitioning this outfit into a fall outfit by just putting on a pair of black boots instantly makes it more fall looking. So still with a tank top, a silk skirt, and just adding the boots, I think gives it complete fall vibes. So it doesn't look summery anymore, whereas it did. And then if it is a little cooler, just popping on a lightweight third layer. This is actually a really lightweight denim that I picked up recently, again from Walmart. I actually picked this up in black and red. I love both of them very much. If you are needing one, those are super affordable. Definitely try them out. This one is by Lee, and it's just real classic. I love that it kind of nips in at the waist, but you could just drape this over your shoulders, and it gives you a little bit of extra warmth. And so having, a third layer and those boots with your socks on will keep you warmer, but also gives you that fall vibe. Okay, and tip number 3 is simply popping on a jacket. So for the summer look, I have been wearing and loving this silk dress. So it is very thin, very lightweight, very breathable. I love that it's in black, which is slimming. This floral design is very summery, very classic. I love it. I've actually been wearing it off the shoulder, although I don't think you're supposed to, but it works, so I've been doing that. And then with slides, it definitely looks like just a normal summer dress outfit. Okay, and to make your favorite summer dress more fall appropriate, I love popping on a structured blazer, or you could do a relaxed blazer. I have this gorgeous one, this captain's blazer from Banana Republic. It is more structured. It has the gold button detail, just real beautiful, great to wear for a work look or an appointment or a meeting that you have to go to. It is lined. You could also do a leather blazer, would be beautiful. I think these like heavier weight items just give something a little more delicate and breezy, a more fall look. And if blazers are not your thing, simply popping on your favorite denim jacket also works as well. Denim, I think, is a classic. Even though I would say it's not like trending real hard this fall, you can't go wrong with a denim jacket. They are classic. They can be worn all year round, really, and layered in any way that you like. This is a one I actually picked up recently from Banana Republic. I love it because it has pockets. A lot of my other older ones do not have pockets, and it's not too relaxed or oversized, so a real classic look. So those are fun jackets to bring your summer items into fall. All right, and the next item that's gonna help you transition your summer items to fall is simply a scarf. So they come in all different kinds of sizes, and they can definitely work in the summertime as an accessory. You can get a real lightweight. So let's start with the summer look. So a dress I've been loving this summer is this Traveler's dress from Chico's. It's a real drapey material, doesn't wrinkle, is real lightweight. I love this green color. It has 2 slits at the bottom, and Chico's has lots of Traveler's item or material stuff. So it is just an easy wear, nice drapey look, which I love. And then I did pick up the scarf in the matching tone, and I just think this dresses it up. So whereas it's a basic t-shirt dress, I think even having this color combo together really elevates the dress, and then just adds another way to kind of style up, dress up an otherwise basic t-shirt dress on those warmer days. But to bring it into the fall on those cooler days and evenings, I love a cashmere scarf. So they of course come in all different sizes. I like to get quite an oversized one so that it's almost more like a cape look. And so you can belt it if you like, you can just drape it over you, you can tie it up like a regular scarf and wear it that way. So having a just beautiful shade, nice cashmere scarf is a great way to bring a lot of your summer items into fall, and gives a different look than just your, a regular sweater or jacket look. Okay, my next tip is to incorporate fall hues into your summer pieces, your summer wardrobe. So that could be, those deeper colors like an olive, a plum, a burgundy, a rust color, I think is a great way to give you those fall vibes, bring some of your items over. So for instance, you could pair one of your summer tank tops with maybe a rust color skirt, or you can, if you have maybe a rust colored tank top, pair that under a blazer or a jacket. Also, pairing the items with plaid or animal print is definitely going to give the outfit a cozy fall vibe. And my next tip is to wear your maxi dresses with layers. So I am a huge fan of the maxi dress. I've done lots of videos on all kinds of maxi dresses I picked up all spring and summer long. So it's definitely a piece that I love, and I love to wear them in the fall and summer. And so how I usually do this is just by layering. So you can wear either a shirt under, a long sleeve shirt, a mock neck, a turtleneck, or another thing I like to do is put a sweater over the whole thing. You can belt up the bottom, blouse it up, so it looks like a sweater and skirt combo. So that's a great way to get a lot more longevity out of those summer maxi dresses. And my next tip is to accessorize with fall hats and bags. So if you're like me, you've been loving the straw and raffia bags over the summer, which definitely gives your whole outfit a summer vibe. So usually what I'll do as we move it is start kind of putting those away and really leaning more toward my leather bags, especially in those rich brown colors, and pulling out the black again. All of that stuff in just a little more substantial bag is definitely going to change over a dress or outfit that you're wearing to feel more fall. And of course we put away our straw hats and then opt for felt hat instead. And this last one is a bonus. So this is actually not a style that I wear, but I like how it looks. I might try it this fall, and that is to wear tights or leggings under a skirt or shorts to give it a little more longevity. Now, I have to say I only like the black tights look. So, you know, the red or maroon tights are on trend. That's not for me. I don't like that look. I also don't like embellished tights. So something classic. I think that the black tight just looks really good. And it's not something that I would wear all the time. I would say certainly not every day and certainly not every week. So I think one pair of black tights is a great look. It looks very stylish and fall-like for sure, and you can get a little more use out of those short summertime items. All right, if you've been enjoying this content, please consider giving it a like so that YouTube will press it out to more ladies that it may potentially help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I would love to have you back, and it's free. So hopefully these tips you found practical and useful, and maybe you have some ideas of some ways that you can start incorporating some more of your summer items into stylish fall outfits. I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in today and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.